This is the day when Gautama realized that there is no going towards truth. If you are available, it's right here. Here we just crossed over from Bahrain to Saudi Arabia. Oh, is truth here? Yes, it is not in any part of the world because human experience is all within. If you have to know truth about life, about the nature of your existence and your relationship with the rest of the cosmos, all is here. Everything is here within us and right now. It's not a place to go, nor does it take time to go there. It is just that you may take a lifetime to become willing and available. Don't do that. Let's make it happen. Become willing, become available, and the joy, the blissfulness of living in truth and the liberation of being in truth will all be yours. My best wishes and blessings to you on this Buddha Purnami. Namaskaram to everyone.